too early for this. Oh my god. You can see my soul with this light. Hey everyone, what is up? It's your girl Shahad and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, sorry. So last couple of videos, I did a bunch of videos. I love them. Let's be clear. Whatever I put here on YouTube, I like, I love, I'm proud of. Do you know what I mean? So like you can't take that away from me. Those are my babies. But listen, I wanted to do something more fun. You know, I gave you like a Valentine's look and y'all was like, I gave you something more colorful. Y'all was like, and I gave you something more even neutral, just as you wanted, and y'all was like. So I have something. I don't know if there's like somebody did that before, but I want to do a challenge today, as you can see from the title of this video, if you actually read it. I want to do a full face of makeup using only toothbrushes. That is right, you heard it correct. Your girl is gonna do it. Those are new, because I know somebody in the back is gonna be like,
those are yours.
you know what I mean. I don't know if anybody has ever done this before, but I'm gonna leave credits or whatever. I'm not gonna do it now because nobody got time for that. What I'm gonna do a full face, like foundation, brows, everything using only toothbrushes, hunty. Yes. So I'm gonna first take this green brush, which I'm not gonna, well, I don't know, okay, don't sue me, but I'm gonna use this green one for our foundation. And I'm gonna use my worst foundation ever. I did actually like it the first time I bought it, but like then I was like, yeah, it rubs off quickly, even after using Fix Plus and everything. It just doesn't stay on that well. So I was like,
Bye.
I'm gonna use a Fix Plus. Oh, I miss this babe. And now apply foundation. Now there she is. This is the brush we are using. There she is. I'm sorry you might hear noises from the background, but those are my family and oh my god, this will leave streaks on my face. That's fun. Okay, let me apply foundation. Fix my... I'm not gonna put too much because I don't know what's gonna end up happening, but this, I'm gonna throw that away. Like it literally, this foundation literally smells like olive oil. What is going on? Here it goes. Okay. Oh my god. This is gonna leave streaks all over the, oh my god, this is the worst thing ever. Can you see what's happening? I'm like, oh my god. I mean, this might be a trend. You don't know. Streaked, unblended foundation. Girl, I invented that. Oh my god, this is the worst, really. Oh my god, look at that. Can you see the streaks on my face? Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun. I'm gonna have so much fun reading the comments. I'm using toothbrush for this olive oil scented foundation. You guys? Oh, it gets worse by the time. I'm trying to make it to blend and like remove the streaks from my face, but this is not gonna happen. Just like, oh my god. Okay, now let's apply concealer. My pores are screaming for life now. I'm gonna use my Dear NARS concealer. I miss this babe. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, this gets worse. I like just dab. Oh no, that's even worse. Oh my god, this looks so scary. Look at that. My poor face. Okay, and then I'm gonna go with powder. I mean, you gotta set it. Oh my god. This is the worst. Oh my god. Nothing has changed. Update. Okay. Look at this. Fenty Beauty could never. Next brush, I'm gonna go start with the eye. I'm gonna do my brows. I think this part is actually good. I mean, I tried my best with foundation with this, but it did not work out. After what I've been through, I can't lie. Ooh, ooh, makes my brush number 2. Let's brush those brows, hunty. Wow, this is not doing anything. Don't ask me what I'm doing. Please don't ask what I'm doing because I don't really know. Okay, now let's start with eyes. Let me do like dark shade eyes. Maybe this will like tone everything down. P.S. it won't. But let's see what happened, right? Okay. My face is crying from those bristles, to be honest. Okay, that's not bad. It's like I applied it with my fingers, but like in a stupid way. But that's fine. They're not soft. I'm sorry, but this is like, I wish I had like a more softer toothbrush. This would actually, it might work for the foundation. So far we're good with with eyes. What do I do? Let's kind of do a darker shade for the outer part of the eyes. Ooh, 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 ooh. She's going places. No, she's not. That's all I got. Do for the lower lash line. Like, let's bring something more fun since this whole thing is a flop. Ooh, let me use like some goldy things on the eye. Oh god. This is the worst challenge I have done. Anyway, let's just have fun while we're at it, right? And I just, did you see that? The lower lash line. Wow. Actually pretty much like my makeup. Some y'all would say. Okay, I think I'm done with my eyes. Mascara, and I'm gonna, you know, brush the bristles here. See what's gonna happen. Oh god. Let's see what happens. Okay, here goes nothing. Ooh, that's okay. That's actually, this is the best thing ever today. From this whole look, this is the best thing, I think, so far. The mascara. Look at this. Look at this face. Oh my god. Lower lashes. A little bit on the lashes. Okay, now for blush. No, bronzing, blush, and highlighter, and then lips. Okay, I'm taking this blue brush right now for the. Okay, to be honest, I thought this was gonna be like the fun challenge, and it will work, but it did not. Duh. I'm using my ColourPop bronzer, and this is in the shade Spectacle. Like anyone would care. At this point, y'all are out of this channel already. Let me do some contour. Oh, but okay, I was gonna say that was okay, but it's not. Let's be true to ourselves. I cannot wait to take this off. Let's contour the nose. Shine bright tonight. My pores are shaking. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Now brush, hunty. Who's like the queen of challenge? Oh, Jenna Marbles. Watch out, Jenna Marbles. I'm coming for ya. Simply Nailogical? No, she's not. No, she does nails, right? I'm not gonna use any of my highlighters because I don't want to ruin them. I'm just gonna take like any gold shade from this palette that I'm using, and I'm just gonna use that as my highlight. I mean, at this point, I'm gonna have to stop trying. Now, lips. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm just gonna, this is the brush that we're using, and I'm gonna use whatever like lipstick and then just pop it here, and then we can, you know what I mean? Yeah, you get it. Just want something more colorful. Oh my god. Oh my god. And there you have it, my lovelies. This is the final look for this amazing tutorial brought to you by Toothbrushes. Your faves can never, like, ever. Anyway, this is the video, this is the challenge. That is it. And let me tell you what we have learned today. We have learned that toothbrushes are only for brushing your teeth. That is it. Don't do this. Don't ever try this again. Don't ever do this. But if you like this video, just go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and hit that notification button bell thing. Anyway, please let me know what you think. What do you want the next challenge to be? What do you want me to do? Like, tell me, let me know. Let's talk, let's have some fun. Do you know what I mean? Okay. And I know I'm so ready for the comments for this look, because I know y'all gonna say like, this is your normal look, this is what you look like, this is what your original makeup looks like, blah 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 blah. I don't give a damn, honey. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again in my other videos. See you guys later. Bye.